Have you used your computer today? The next time you log on, it could cost you. Hackers are locking your computer, and then they are charging you ransom to have them unlocked. We have CEO of CyberSpa, Alan Shea, joining us to talk more about cybersecurity and how you can protect yourself. Thank you so much for being here.
Thank you.
I had not heard about this scam, but, you know, Jonathan was chiming in. This happened to his father-in-law. We're hearing more and more of this.
Right.
What's happening? What do you see on your screen?
Well, basically what's happening is these, and they're basically internet thieves, are sending out a virus that is attached. Usually it's attached to an email attachment, or it actually can be a website link that they've attached to an email. And if you click on that attachment or you click on that link, what's going to happen is they're going to encrypt your data files. So literally they will lock. That virus will lock up your data files, and they're going to deliver a message to you that says...
Is it instantly?
It's instant.
Okay.
And you're going to get a message that says $500 or $600 to get your data back, paid via Bitcoin. Wow.
So obviously you should not pay that, but what are you supposed to do?
Well, there are a couple things that you can do to kind of help prevent, or let me talk about two things, prevention and preparation.
Okay.
To prevent it, obviously, don't open emails that have attachments that aren't from someone you know. That's the first and probably best thing you can do. Don't click on websites that are on attachments from people that you don't know, because that could, in effect, be one of those viruses on its way into your computer. So that's probably the best way to prevent against this happening. To prepare for it, actually, there's a very inexpensive way to prepare not to be a victim. This is a 32-gigabyte hard drive. These things are $15 now on the internet. That will store pretty much all your pictures, your music, the things that are really important to you.
Yeah, you want to save.
So if you just take this, keep it by your computer, and back up your computer on a regular basis, then if you do get a ransom attack, really all you've lost is the little bit of data since the last time you did the backup.
And that's easy to put on after you reboot it. Let me ask you this. A lot of times we get emails from our friends that are viruses. Are they starting to do that as well? Sending
they will try, yeah, if they have emails, if they've already gotten into your system and they have email addresses, then yeah, they could actually come from friends. So there's really no way to 100% prevent against this. Once again, prevention is the best option. And then, you know, what do you do afterwards? Okay, what a lot of people don't realize is there's two economic sides to a ransomware attack. You not only are potentially losing your data, and they're going to try and charge you $500 or $600 for that, but you're also losing the use of your computer.
My goodness, no one wants to happen.
No, and so you may have a $400 or $500 computer that you now can't safely use. So one of the things that our company did was, and this is just for general service use, but we have a
We're going to put that information on our website too to make sure everyone knows how to do this. FoxBaltimore.com/morning. Thank you so much for being here.